What's up, guys? We're here today checking out this VDJ 79 Series Land Cruiser on 6 wheels. Hey guys, I'm Isaac with Trails and Trucks, and I'm here with Andrew from Toyota Denver region. Andrew, what in the heck, why in the heck is this 79 Series Land Cruiser in the Toyota booth?
Because look at how excited you are. This is exactly what we wanted.
Gotcha.
This is an awesome truck. Obviously, we don't make a 6-wheeler, but we should.
Right.
But the front half is something we make overseas, so it's fun to have something unique. It's a super rugged, awesome truck. Like, it's exciting, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So it's really an attention grabber. I wish this was like, hey, we're gonna sell these soon.
Of course.
But I'm still happy to come and take a peek at it.
I'm gonna jump the gun and just ask, is there any hope?
I've already given up hope.
Okay.
There's no hope.
No hope for the
There's
70 Series?
There's no hope.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit, like, who built this?
Yeah. So it's a collaboration, right? There's a bunch of different companies here.
Okay.
Obviously, we started with a VDJ 79 Land Cruiser, so
Yep.
you've got a nice turbo diesel V8 in there. It's a beast.
Wow.
And then Patriot Campers is the big partner here. They do a lot of 6x6 builds.
Okay.
So this is one of their versions of it. It's got a sweet little storage facility here on the back, and then you've got a flatbed. So just kind of extending that wheelbase and capacity, and it looks awesome.
It looks unbelievable.
Yeah.
So let's just do a quick little walk around.
Yeah.
Obviously, you got this unbelievable front end. Tell me a little bit about it.
So it's obviously got some nice armor protection. We've got an antenna mount for communications. You can see we've got an upgraded intercooler here in the front.
Oh, okay.
Keep those turbos happy. Winch, and if we actually come down below is where the real magic happens. We've got a nice portal axle.
Oh, buckets.
Yeah,
It's on portals.
They're unbelievable.
Wow.
So it's a nice bolt-on kit. You can see those stiffener arms there on the bottom for the bottom of the outside knuckle. But that's how you get your nice ground clearance without having to lift the truck.
Insane
Super
ground
tall.
clearance.
Totally. A lot of the times, I don't know if they did it with this one, but a lot of times they'll modify the rear track width as well. Make
Yeah.
them perfectly wide, same
Okay.
width, and then portals all around, baby.
Jeez, it's nuts.
It's crazy. This thing's an absolute beast. Most of the other stuff, you see a lot of these snorkels.
Yeah.
This one's got aftermarket tow mirrors.
Okay.
So really cool.
Oh, what?
They rotate out.
That's cool.
So you can tell that this thing can tow, so we got to have some nice
Sure,
mirrors that
sure.
go along with it.
I mean, you've
and
got
then-
like these aftermarket fender flares.
Totally.
I mean,
Yes.
it's like never ending.
Right, and then also in the rear, the fender flares are like metal, right? So they're
Right.
super rugged.
Right.
We've also got this, it's on air suspension.
Oh, okay.
So right now it's at its lowest, which is crazy.
It's lowest.
At its lowest, you can see the shock. There's about a 1/4 inch
Yeah,
half inch
yeah.
gap. So it's an absolute animal.
Wow.
And it's got all those adjustments for how much people, load, trailer, whatever you toss on there.
It's crazy.
The best part is we get stacks.
We get stacks.
When's the last time you saw a Toyota with stacks?
Dude,
Never.
that's insane. So you get stacks. The whole bed of this truck, it's removed or cut off, and this is all rebuilt, or how does that work?
So they're extending that frame to
Okay.
stuff in another axle in
Okay.
there. And then this is pretty common, this tray build. We've got storage down here, which are
yep.
all locked so we don't steal stuff.
Sure.
And then you've got some controls in here, power connections.
Okay.
This one's fuel, the other side's power connections. So again, we're trying to make it accessible, and this is a pretty common build for the guys down under who are just
Sure.
out there getting it.
Sure. It's pretty it's pretty incredible.
It's
like
incredible.
it's nuts. Like, you don't see these every day.
Right.
You don't even see these like really ever. Like,
Right.
this is
So this body style, this double cab, we didn't start till 2012.
okay.
So we can't have these legally imported to the US until plus 25 years, so 2037.
So we might be able to import these
Exactly.
in 2037.
When we're like 50, this is gonna be our jam.
And maybe by then Toyota will actually sell these
One
in
can
America.
dream.
Yeah.
One can dream.
Okay. Well, this is sick. Thanks for talking about it a little bit. And thanks for all your time today. I'm serious.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it.
Yes.
Okay, we'll catch you next time.